Hi everyone, I'm Paul Teske, teacher in residence at Prezi, and welcome to Flip Your Classroom 101. Today we're going to be looking at how do you make a flipped classroom. Now this is kind of complex stuff, but I've reduced it down to its essence and the phases that you'd go through as part of developing a flipped classroom model. So let's take a look. The first one is developing the scope and the objectives of the work that you're going to be doing. Now, this is something that we always do, so this isn't earth-shattering. You're trying to figure out the expanse of the content you want to cover with the students, as well as what you want them to do with it. So those are the objectives, and that's the scope. The next one is the pre-class content. What do you want them to engage in before they actually show up to class? Again, because the flip model has the instruction happening at home, this will entail playlists as well as videos that you create as part of your instruction. So figuring that out, what is the content you want your students to engage in before they show up? Also, what do you want them to do with that material before they show up? So this can be short little fun little games you might play. It might be a reflective write. It could be all sorts of things. Maybe a reflective video back to you. That sort of pre-class activity sort of primes them and helps them think through some of the materials that you've just presented to them. Next, we have the in-class activities. So now that they've digested the materials, done a little bit of work with them, now they're coming to your class and you need to do something with them. Usually this entails small group work that you're sort of facilitating and working through. And it could be discussion prompts. It could be something like a Socratic seminar. All sorts of things like that would be part of the in-class activities that you do. And then finally, there's the post-class activities. So now that they've gotten this material and digested it with peers, what do you want them to do with it out in the world, or what are the next step insofar as the content and their building of knowledge? So basically, those are the steps that are involved with making a flipped model. And throughout the whole thing, you're evaluating, assessing as you're going along. So how are students engaging with it? How is the materials being played? Are they watching the videos and so forth? Those are the types of things that you're looking at while they're going through all this process. Anyway, I hope this was helpful to you, and good luck with doing your flipping. We'll talk to you real soon. Bye-bye.